Namaskar. Myself Dr. Tapan Kumar Sahu, Principal SD College of Education Barnala. SD College of Education Barnala is a premier teacher training institute of this area, duly recognized by National Council for Teacher Education, NAC, and affiliated to Punjab University Patiala. The college is mostly upgraded in terms of infrastructures, material resources, financial resources, and academic activities. It is one of the best colleges of not only Punjab but also India. Dear students and parents, whenever you listen about SD College of Education, you will get to know about the quality infrastructures and quality academic staff. As far as management is concerned, it is one of the best management of India. The management always take care of the staff members as well as the non-teaching staff members, and regarding any requirements, whenever we approach the management, they without any questions they sanctions the amount, the facilities, and all the help needed to carry out the activities. Regarding our academic activities, almost all the staff members are duly qualified by the NET and PhD holders, and the staff members generally provide each and every assistance to the students regarding be it their personal problems, be it their professional problems. If you go back to the 10 to 15 years back, establishment of colleges of education in Punjab in private sector by Punjab government is one of the progressive step, because earlier that period most of the students generally they go to the Himachal, Jammu Kashmir or Haryana or other neighboring states for pursuing of their BA degrees. But now, in spite of several scientific progress and technological advancement, as you all know, now there are online classes, different apps are there. We cannot replace the role of the teacher. And for your kind information, I would like to mention here that our college has already started their online classes to our MEd students. As far as B.Ed is concerned, we does not get any notifications regarding the online classes. So we are waiting from the university to start our online classes. Otherwise, our infrastructure is ready. Our broadband, our internet, our computer labs, and the teachers has been well equipped with all the technological gadgets to instruct the students through online. As far as our coronavirus and lockdown that is going on all over the country, we have followed the standard protocols provided by the Punjab government regarding the sanitizations of each and every classrooms, the sanitizations of as you see in the gate, we have specially placed the sanitizers and the mask and every sort of things that are generally recommended by the government of India and the government of Punjab. Even all the mobile phones generally carried out by the teachers, they have COVID app, and they are generally follow all the staff, teaching and non-teaching staff follow standard protocols of the coronavirus. Regarding the infrastructures, academic, be it sports, be it cultural activities, you will be glad to know that our students possess almost all the positions in university youth festivals, and as you seen, there is overall second positions achieved by our students in university youth festivals, and in sports activities, different inter-university, different level nationals as well as states level competitions, our students participated and got placed on the basis of sports on different sectors like education department, PWD departments, Punjab police and revenue department, even Nehru Yuva Kendra. As you all know, Punjab in Barnala there is Nehru Yuva Kendra, and there also our students are placed and working over there. Even recently, many of our pass out students, alumnus, promoted as principals and headmasters in different government schools of Barnala. We have produced all India inter-university gold medalist, senior national gold medalist, and participated national games in sports. As far as academic area is concerned, most of the students, generally our teachers orient them, guide them in clearing national eligibility test, state eligibility test. So maximum students generally clear NET, CTET, PTET, and got placed over the surrounding area in government school as well as in private and public schools. At last, I would like to say, I, on behalf of the management, the staff members, I assure you very good time, and you will get right education by right teachers in a right environment with a safety environment. And all the best. We have limited seats. Get in touch soon. Otherwise you will miss a very good institute. Thank you.